Welcome back to the next topic, students. Today, standard electrode potential and the stability of M3 plus and M2 plus ions in aqueous solutions. So, rule first you by heart the rule, that is, if E naught value M3 plus or M2 plus, we have to find out means if it is a higher oxidation state and it is a lower oxidation state, that is the rule. So larger plus 4 positive and small negative. High, I mean positive value is more and positive negative value is smaller means M3 plus is less stable, M2 plus is more stable. So if it is a larger positive, if it is a larger positive value, M2 plus is more stable. If it is a smaller positive value, M3 plus is the more stable. Just opposite the next one. So larger positive value and a smaller negative value, both positive and negative value given in one set. So among this, you should find out which has the largest value and which has the smallest negative value, and then you find out which is stable, whether M3 plus is stable or M2 plus is stable. Rule is large positive and small negative means M2 plus is more stable, and a small positive and a large negative means M3 plus is more stable. The rest is automatically saying the opposite answer. By heart this rule. Let us see one example. Here NCERT question itself. It is M3 plus M2 plus with metal and M3 plus and 2 plus system. E naught value for some metals are given like this. So in this set, chromium 2 plus in chromium, and this is nothing but chromium metal is inserted in chromium 2 plus salt solution, and Mn metal is inserted in a Mn2 plus salt, and I mean one Fe, some metal, it is inserted in a Fe2 plus. So here it is a chromium 2 plus and Mn2 plus and Fe2 plus in this. So it is a 0.9 minus 0.9 voltage, minus 1.2 voltage, minus 0.4 voltage, here minus value and 2 plus value. Already I told you that applying this rule, large positive value in one of the set, which is large positive value or a large negative value or a small positive value or a small negative value, we should apply that rule. So use this data to comment upon this first question, stability of Fe3 plus in acid solution as compared to that chromium 3 plus and Mn3 plus, chromium 3 plus and Mn3 plus. They are asking you to find out this one first. And second option now they are taking in the case of which ion can be oxidized as compared to the similar process for either chromium or a manganese metal. Here the thing is E naught value. Again I have written the rule. Large positive and small negative, M3 plus is less stable, and it is less stable, but it is M2 plus is more stable. And small positive and large negative, M3 plus is more stable. So E naught value is negative. The standard reduction, I mean strong reducing agent undergo, this is strong reducing agent because negative have lower down or negative, so strong reducing agent, they undergo oxidation. Then positive is a strong oxidizing agent, they undergo reduction. So chromium 3 plus and chromium 2 plus, it has minus 0.4. This is a option of question they are given. This option, first option they are given. I've chosen this option only. So here, question only this one. Mn3 plus, Mn2 plus 1.5 voltage, and Fe3 plus and Fe2 plus 0.8 voltage. In this, among this three, which is large positive. This is large positive. So 1.5 is a large positive. So Mn3 plus is a less stable. And this is a small positive. So Fe3 plus, I mean small positive means, and M3 plus is a more stable. So Fe3 plus is more stable, but lesser than chromium, but lesser than the chromium because it is automatically, it has negative, I mean chromium is a negative, so automatically it is undergo oxidation. So what the first priority goes to chromium, and second priority goes to the iron, and third priority go to the manganese, because manganese is a less stable, Fe3 plus is more stable, already it is a higher oxidation. So what chromium 3 plus is oxidized more than Fe3 plus than Mn3 plus. So this is the answer for the first option. The stability increases in this order. So next thing is second option, this option. Second option they have given. So in this second option, we should see, I will write again this answer question. So I have written the question, the same question I have written again, Cr2 plus and Cr, and this is 0.39, and Mn2 plus minus 1.2, and Fe2 plus minus 0. Everything is minus minus. If it is a plus and minus means we can see them. But everything is a minus means we should see which is the largest and which is the least one. So 1.2 is the largest one, first priority, and then this is 0.9, second, 0.8 is third one. So first is a Mn. Mn is greater than, chromium is greater than iron. So Mn is greater than, chromium is greater than, iron, sorry, Fe. So maximum negative is a strong reduction potential undergo oxidation. So these metals can arrange in the following order. Thanks for watching, guys.